Krishna's mercy flows to the hearts of the surrendered, then it's not bounded by all kinds of things like gender or varna or ashram or a place of birth or diksha or no diksha. Lightning can strike anywhere at any time. So the Vidyut, Krishna Vidyut Kripa, the mercy of Krishna is like a lightning bolt. It can strike anyone. Don't have to be a Vairagi sadhu with jata. That's nice though. With jata, and you can be a housewife and have a darshan of Krishna. So Raganuga Bhakti is based on rag. It's not some box linear thing where, hey, oh now I have a Raganuga Bhakti, now I took Diksha, now I have rag. It doesn't work like that. Oh, my father arranged my marriage, so now I wanted woman, I wanted wife, now I have wife. So you have wife, you have woman, but do you love the person? Maybe not. It's nice, good arrangement, but what about love? That's important also. So that's something rare.